Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. Let's open the newly re-released Addie in her original meet outfit and her birthday outfit today. In the last 2 days, I've posted a video about unboxing Kirsten and her birthday outfit, and a video unboxing Julie's new items. So if you haven't seen either of those, I'll put the links to both of them in the description box below. And one more thing before we get to Addie. Somebody asked me in the comment section of the Kirsten video what her eyebrows looked like. So I'm going to show you a close-up of Kirsten's face. This is what her eyebrows look like. This is what her original eyebrows looked like back in the day. And this is what the new eyebrows look like as well. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. And the last two images are coming from the Instagram account 5 Hands and a Cockatiel. If you know Sydney, you know she is amazing. She always does such beautiful photography. Anyway, going back to unboxing our Addie. So this Addie is pretty much the same as the anniversary Addie. Even the boxes are very similar, but here you can see that the image of the doll or the character is what makes these boxes different. And also, just like with Kirsten, the new Addie has a star on her foot and there are no neckties, the zip ties. Let's open the doll first. She retails at $150. She comes with her meat book and her meat accessories. And there's no way to purchase the doll without the accessories or the accessories without the doll. I can already tell that I'm going to love her. She's absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the book first. So this is an exact reproduction of the original Meet Addie book. And I remember Connie Porter, the author of the book, commented in one of our old videos. If by any chance Connie is watching this video, I would love to interview her for our channel. Connie, if you are watching this video and would like to give us an interview, please let me know in the comments below how I can contact you. This would be amazing. We'd love to learn more about the history of creation of Addie. She's such an iconic American Girl character. Now let's take a look at other accessories that come with this set. This is a seashell necklace, and I know in the old days, originally this was an actual seashell, but this is a plastic seashell. It's not an actual seashell. It looks very real, and the only reason I can tell it's plastic is because it's very shiny, and also it doesn't feel like a real seashell. It's just very smooth, very plasticky, but it is beautiful. The next item is half a dime, which Addie received as a gift from Uncle Solomon, I think. Yes, from Uncle Solomon. This is the only money that she and her mom had. It's not a lot of money even in those days. So the coin itself is kind of historically accurate. It has a word copy in the back. It is a heavy coin. It's not lightweight plastic or anything like that. It is a heavy coin, and it might be metal or not. It sure feels pretty heavy. The next item is a square piece of fabric. It's a kerchief that Addie would be using as a bag. There's a way to tie it, so it kind of looks like a bag. It's the same type of fabric, the same print as the ones that came in the meat accessories during the Pleasant Company time. Now let's take a look at the gourd. I think this is such a fun piece. The Pleasant Company Addie, she had an actual gourd that was, I don't even know how they made gourds so small. I guess it's a special variety of gourds. And at some point, I tried to grow some gourds just for fun in my garden. For several years, I did try, but it didn't really work out. Anyway, this one is plastic. This one is plastic. It looks very real. And in Addie's days, this was kind of an equivalent of a Stanley Cup, right? Yeah, or hydro flask or whatever. This is how you carried your water. So the original gourd was either an actual gourd made out of a plant, or it was made out of wood as well. This one is plastic, but it's very cute and it looks very, very similar to the ones that Pleasant Company used to produce. As much as I don't really like plastic, I like the fact that this gourd is not going to get moldy. And I do have an older Addy gourd that got moldy. So this might have been one of the reasons why American Girl decided to switch to plastic. But honestly, most likely it's because they wanted a uniform look and they wanted something that was easier to produce. They should have just coated the older gourds with some sort of lacquer so they wouldn't get moldy. If I ever get my hands on a better condition gourd, I will definitely cover it with lacquer so it doesn't get moldy. Anyway, let's take this Addie out. She is gorgeous as ever. I just love this face mold. Such a beautiful, beautiful face mold. Let's take a look at her. According to American Girl website, she has the exact same skin tone as the Be Forever Addie. I don't have a Be Forever Addie, so I can't really compare. I can't really tell you. And I really don't want to untie this beautiful bow on her bonnet. It's tied so beautifully. It's just perfect. I don't know if I can repeat that, but I will have to because she will have to try the birthday outfit. Yeah, I just don't want to take it off. You can see she comes with earrings and they are already in her ears and you can't really take them off. Just look how beautiful she is. I did have to go through a couple of Addies. Actually, I looked at 5 Addies at the store and I made sure that the one that I pick has even eyes. Well, they were all even, but some of them looked down a little bit. They all look down a little bit. This one also, her eyes also look a little bit down, but I'm fine with that. I don't have to have a perfect one, and I think this is good enough. Just gorgeous. Look at her. The face paint, everything is so beautiful. I love her hair. This is the hairstyle that she has. It's kind of a braid that's tucked under, and then it's fixed with a ribbon. Beautiful. Her hair is textured like all Addie's hair. And she has a star in her foot. This is a new feature. I'm guessing from now on, all American Girl dolls will have a star on their foot. And she has zip ties, which I'm not really crazy about. So now let's take another look at Addie. Her face is just gorgeous. The bow is perfect. Yeah, this is a previous footage. This is before I took it off. And as I was filming this video, I noticed something that I didn't notice before. Her dress is a little bit crooked. Do you see where her buttons are? That piece that kind of goes in the middle. And now look at the light stripe pattern. Do you notice that the lines on her bodice do not align with the line that holds the buttons? And it continues to the skirt. This is not okay, actually. I'm really disappointed. I did not look at this at all in the store. I was looking at the faces. I am going to go back to American Girl store and I'm going to talk to a store employee and see what can be done about this. I hope this is just a lemon. I remember when the anniversary dolls got re-released, people were complaining about Felicity's pattern. Ay. Now let's take a look at Addie's underwear, and it's exactly the same type of underwear and trim as the original Addie. She has black socks. The socks feel like they're made out of cotton to me. And here are her shoes, which also look pretty similar to her original shoes. Now let's open her birthday outfit, which retails at $55. Just as Kirsten's birthday outfit, this one comes with a book and it comes with the shoes. And remember, originally Addie's birthday outfit did not come with shoes. Those were sold separately. Let's take a look. Oh, I love this. This is such a nice cream color. It looks so nice with the brown trim. I love it. It's a little wrinkled because it's natural cotton, And by the way, Kirsten's birthday dress had some sort of synthetic material in it. I think it's some sort of cotton blend because it wasn't wrinkly at all. This one is definitely cotton, that's why it will wrinkle. I love it. Look at this beautiful, beautiful brown trim that goes around the neckline, and it goes in the back as well. Everything is so well made. The shirt has a little bit of texture. The fabric has a little bit of texture. The cuffs open like this, and this shirt is just beautiful. I love the sleeves. I love that elastic in the middle. Such a beautiful design. Yeah, I will definitely use it for other outfits as well. This item is listed as pinafore on American Girl website, even though I think pinafore is something that goes over a dress, and this is like a skirt, so it's the entire bottom part of her outfit. The pattern is really pretty. This feels like cotton as well. It has two cute little pockets. And if you ever wondered how come Addie had such beautiful, beautiful wardrobe, even though, you know, she's a former slave, it's because her mom was a seamstress. So she could make her really, really nice outfits. I own the older version of this outfit, and I might compare it in a separate video. Here I just want to talk about this new version of the outfit. It comes with these boots, and they're just so adorable, so cute. I love the color. I love the design. Here are the laces, and you see they don't have aglets on the end, and they're made out of canvas and faux leather right here. The colors are just so beautiful, so gentle. These are great boots for other historical characters from 1800s. I like how they have these shoelaces on the side because back in the day they didn't have zippers. Zippers were not invented yet, so they would lace them like this, just like this. So adorable. These boots were what convinced me to purchase this outfit because, as I already mentioned, I own the older version of this outfit, but I do not own the boots. And I'm really happy. I love them. Oh, here's a tag on the dress. I don't think I showed it before. Now let's take a look at this piece. The snood is very, very similar to the original one. It has a stretchy part right here. The yellow ribbon is new. The older outfit had a yellow feather in its place, but I can see how a feather can deteriorate with time. Plus, I don't know, maybe there's some ethical reasons why American Girl decided to go with a ribbon. And let's take a look at the socks. Again, I'm just so happy with the socks. Look at the texture. I love all the little details. You see, they're not just regular socks. They have a little bit of personality, actually a lot of personality. I love looking at historical fashions and seeing how much they could do with different styles back in the day because, you know, all the little details, they tell a story. So what else do we have in this outfit? I think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done. We also have the book, and the book is called Happy Birthday, Addie. And as far as I understand, this is the exact reproduction of the original Happy Birthday, Addie book. Here you can see it says 4 because it was book number 4 in the series, in a set of 6 books. So American Girl, if you brought back 6 book sets, that would be awesome. And I know I already said this in Kirsten's video, but if American Girl ever decides to keep bringing outfits based on particular books with the book, for example, holiday outfits for holiday stories, that would work as well. I'm pretty sure there is a demand for those. I know some people are looking for 6 book sets, and I'm really hoping this collection is selling well because I'm really impressed with it. And here's our Addie wearing her birthday outfit, and she looks absolutely stunning. The colors work so well with her colors. Her skin tone, her hair, her lips, everything looks amazing. The cream color of her shirt is so beautiful. It's so understated. It's so noble. I just love it. I love everything about this outfit. I'm super happy I purchased it. The socks and the boots can be used with other outfits as well. So if you were thinking about purchasing it, do not hesitate. And yes, I didn't film it, but this outfit fits on older dolls with larger bodies as well. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to purchase this outfit and the new Addie. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.